I was mistaken for a defendant on my first day as an attorney and decided to see how far it would go, fresh out of law school at 26. I was representing my first client in a minor civil case. I dressed in my most professional suit, arrived an hour early, and sat in the waiting area reviewing my notes. A stern court officer approached me. "Defendants wait in the other room. Follow me." Before I could correct him, a second officer chimed in. "And no phones in court handed over." I opened my mouth to explain, then thought better of it. "Let's see where this goes." They escorted me to a small room filled with nervous-looking people. For 20 minutes, I listened to the officer lecture us defendants about court etiquette, while I silently rehearsed my opening statement. When they finally called everyone into the courtroom, I was directed to sit in the defendant section. The judge entered, and court proceedings began. First case, Martinez versus Henderson. Our counsel present, the opposing attorney stood. "Jonathan Gunn for the plaintiff, Your Honor." The judge looked around, "And for the defendant." I stood out from the defendant's section, walked through the gate to the attorney's table, placed my bar association card on the judge's bench, and smiled. "Sarah Henderson, representing Henderson Financial, Your Honor, I believe. Here has been a misunderstanding about where I was supposed to wait." The court officers froze. The judge glanced at them, then back at my credentials and actually smiled. "Perhaps my staff needs a refresher on how to distinguish between young attorneys and defendants, Miss Henderson. Let's proceed." We won the case.